So we're going to try to put it back. I was able to piece back all these 100-year-old boards, 100-year plus boards. So we're going to pop them in. Let's see what's going on up here. Got some insulation to push in there. Oh, that's kind of a low angle. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, the weirdest thing is there's wasp nests and yellow jacket. Oh, they cleaned it. Cool. And they're all pretty much gone. One or two coming around. So I think I'm gonna put a little foam in there. There's just a couple of them cleaning up. All that propolis.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Looks like you cleaned up a little up here.
Oh, I know. And I don't have a tool to stack the honey out on the wall.
I see you cleaned down here. That's where I got. There's what's funny is there was wasp nests as well as yellow jacket nests down in there. And when I was cleaning it out, I picked up like an old piece of wasp nest. I guess they're still in it, and one stung me. And I'm like, hey, that didn't feel like a bee. It was a wasp.
I have the throw machine, I just climb up and throw.
Yeah.
I don't have much left though.
Yeah. So that did you have to spray any, or were they pretty much they stayed away?
I didn't.
They stayed.
I just put the cup and then I just.
Yeah, because it wasn't squirting very good, huh? I think this is they're not gonna come back to this spot because I'm gonna put insulation in here. But that won't stop them from setting up over here or over there or over here. So, like, I was talking to your son that he needs to get that stuff sealed up. All right, so it is back together. It's not the prettiest thing, but the bees won't get in through there anymore. There's one going to check. That'd be funny if I'm taking a video and it went right in somewhere.
I just am sad. I didn't want the bees to get hurt. I didn't want them to die.
Yeah. Well, they survived. They're surviving now. They're happy in a hive full of honey.